Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? There, and there. Confusing, right? They're very confusing to a lot of people because, first of all, they're homophones. That means they sound the same. There. But they're different in meanings. So let's dig in. First, let's look at there. It's an adjective and that means at that place, opposite of here. For example, put your wet umbrella over there. Not here, there. All right? There is a second use for there, T-H-E-R-E. It's a pronoun. It introduces a word or a clause. For example, there is a feeling of sadness I felt throughout the movie. So it's introducing the phrase a feeling of sadness. There is a feeling of sadness. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, now let's talk about there, T-H-E-I-R. Okay, what is it? It's a pronoun, the third person plural possessive pronoun. Now, if you remember the possessive pronouns, they are his, her, my, your, and this time it's the plural possessive pronoun. Plural can be they, the animals, the plants, the children, okay? So let's look at an example. The example, the students finished their exams quickly, okay? So the word there, okay, is referring to who? Yes, it's the possessive pronoun of the students. The students is plural, and therefore we use the word there as the possessive pronoun. Okay, that's very, very clear. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, finally, the third one is there. T-H-E-Y-R-E. Okay, what does it mean? It's a contraction of they are or they were. It's a short form. Okay, so when you see this, especially with an apostrophe, that means it's actually two words combined into one. So they could be they are if it's present or they were if it's past. Okay, let's look at the example. They are planning to swim at noon today. All right, so that means it's present. That's a contraction of they are. Okay, so they're planning to swim at noon today. Okay. You know, there are tons of cool things on the internet, and these are the best 4 most creative ways that I've found how to remember to remember how to use there, and there, okay? The first one I found was this one, there, and you can see the dog. That means it's their dog. The second one is a house, so that means it's location. So there, over there, right? And then you have there. As you can see, the woman is pregnant, so they're having a baby. So they are having a baby, right? So cool. The next one is so cute. You can see here a very, very smart way to remember, and there's a person here. That means there. It's a possession, okay? And this one has an arrow. Again, it shows that it's a location, so that means it's over there, okay? And then they are, so the apostrophe, if you see an apostrophe, you can imagine that it's a letter A, so you remember that it's 2 words, it's a contraction, so they are, or there. Nice, huh? That is so cool. The other one that I found is a sentence. So they're parking their car there. So the first there is they are, and then there represents car belongs to them, and there, which is location, it is where the car is parked. So they're parking their car there. Nice, huh? Yeah, I love it. Now, the last one is pretty much straightforward. It's there, meaning they are. There is a place, and there is a possessive pronoun. Now, I don't own these ideas. They're just passed to me by teachers through the years. And if somehow you own this, thank you so much. And please comment below, and so that I can put your, I want to credit you properly in the description. So cool. Okay, now it's time for a quiz. So let's do this together, okay? Number 1, blank is a lovely park near my house. What do you think? That's right. There. There is a lovely park near my house. T-H-E-R-E. Now let's go to number 2. The kittens were crying for mother. What do you think should we put in here? Good. Their mother. T-H-E-I-R. Number 3. Blank angry because we stepped on their grass. What do you think? Which there are we going to put there? There. Okay. Yes. T-H-E-Y-R-E. There, because they are angry, right? Okay, number 4. The dogs were barking because, what do you think? Yep. They're hungry. Yes, they are. Okay, number 5. Blank car is brand new. Nice. So what do you think? Can you guess? Yes. Their car. T-H-E-I-R. And finally, blank is a secret I want to tell you. What do you think? Very good. T-H-E-R-E. Yes. Great job. Yay. Now you know. To practice, use there, and there in your own sentences, okay? This is a great way to practice using the expressions we learned today. Just type in your sentence, and I'll be sure to respond to each one. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys.
That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.